Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be doing a comprehensive review of this Girish insulation tape for wires. I'm also going to be compare it with your Anchor one as well. So let me just open it up and let's see the quality of this product first of all. And now I have removed it from its packaging and you can read the description of this video as well. And you can see the MRP of this product is 22 rupees. And let's talk about its quality first of all. I mean, this is what this whole video is all about. Well, the quality of this, if I compared it with the Anchor one, is a bit less, but the Anchor tapes are a bit expensive. So this one costed me about 15 rupees and the MRP says 22 rupees. So for the price that I paid for it, I think it's pretty good tape. And let me just open it up for you and I'll show you the quality as well. As you can see, it's actually pretty good. The glue on this tape is also very good. It will stick pretty easily as well. And the overall quality is actually pretty good. If I have to give this number, I would say 7 out of 10 or almost 8 out of 10. And I feel like the Anchor one has a bit better quality, I would say, but it does not matter that much because it does the insulation job as much as that one. And the overall thickness of the tape as well as the flexibility is pretty good. So overall I would say it's a pretty good tape which comes from Girish brand, as you can see. So this was my honest review of this Girish solid grip insulation tape. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please make sure you like this video and subscribe our channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.